This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus door with a manual key. First, find the small, often hidden, keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Many Lexus models have a small cover that you'll need to gently remove to expose the key cylinder. Once visible, insert your physical key and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. This method is essential if your smart key battery is dead or malfunctioning. Before you can use the manual key, you need to retrieve it from your key fob. Most Lexus key fobs have a small release button, usually on the side or back. Press this button firmly, and the metal key will slide out. Make sure the key is fully extended and ready to be inserted into the door lock. This design keeps the physical key discreetly stored. If you encounter difficulty, apply gentle, consistent pressure when turning the key. Avoid forcing it, as this could damage the lock cylinder. Also, ensure there are no small obstructions in the keyhole before inserting the key. If your smart key often fails, it's a good idea to replace its battery. This manual method is a reliable backup for unexpected situations. To maintain your vehicle's security and ease of access, it's wise to regularly lubricate your door locks. This helps prevent sticking and ensures smooth operation when using the manual key. Always keep your spare physical key in a secure, yet easily accessible place, perhaps in your wallet or a safe spot at home. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Taking care of these small details can save you a lot of hassle down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.